Hey, what's up, tech enthusiasts? Today, I'm diving into something every PC builder needs to know about. PC build scams. Yeah, that's right. You pour your heart, soul, and wallet into that dream rig, but there are folks out there looking to rip you off. Let's talk about how to spot these scams and keep your hard-earned cash safe. First, let's tackle those too good to be true deals. You see an ad promising a high-end gaming PC for half the price? Hold up. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Scammers prey on our desire for a good deal. They'll advertise with flashy specs and an irresistible price, but you'll end up with a rig that's more potato than powerhouse. Next up, those sketchy websites. Ever stumbled upon a site that looks like it was designed in the early 2000s? Yeah, that's a red flag. Legitimate sellers invest in their web presence. If the site looks shady, has broken links, or lacks contact information, run the other way. Then there are the fake reviews. This one's sneaky. Scammers know that we trust reviews, so they flood their product pages with glowing, fake testimonies. Always check multiple sources. Look for consistent feedback across different platforms like Reddit, forums, and reputable tech sites. Okay, here's a big one: pre-built PCs. Don't get me wrong, there are legit pre-built options out there, but some are loaded with low-quality components disguised under big brand names. Always check the specific parts list. If the seller is vague about the components, that's a huge red flag. Let's not forget the bait-and-switch tactic. You order a PC with specific parts, but when it arrives, you find cheaper, inferior components. Document everything. Take screenshots of the product details before you buy and compare them to what you receive. And don't overlook warranty and return policies. Scammers often skip out on these. A legit seller will offer a clear, fair return policy and some form of warranty. If a deal has no mention of these, steer clear. Finally, use secure payment methods. Avoid direct bank transfers or wire payments. Stick to credit cards or services like PayPal that offer buyer protection. All right, let's sum it up. Watch out for deals that are too good to be true. Avoid sketchy websites. Be wary of fake reviews. Scrutinize pre-built PCs. Watch for bait-and-switch tactics. Check warranty and return policies, and use secure payment methods. Remember, building a PC should be a fun and rewarding experience. Don't let scammers ruin it for you. Stay savvy, stay safe, and happy building. Catch you in the next one.